Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to invite your friends to your Rave party on the Rave application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that you should go to your home page once it is loaded, and then you should tap on this plus icon in order to select one of these options. So if you want to watch YouTube videos with your friends, tap on the first button, and after that select the video that you want to watch. Then tap on it, and then once it is loaded you should start inviting your friends. You have two options. You can either copy the invite link that you can find here below the video, tap on it, and then it will be copied to the so you should send it to your friends via social networking sites such as Instagram, or you can invite them via message. But you can also invite them by tapping on this button down below in the chat. That's the fourth option. So tap on it, and then you can invite people from your contacts. So tap on invite friends to Rave, and here if you tap on the messages you can send a message. So here the link is copied, and then you should choose a contact. As you can see, you have other options such as Snapchat, Slack, Gmail, and so on. And if you tap on this contacts button at the top, you can also open your contacts and choose one from the list. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.